see how many she can find. What do you have, Cambree? Wow, you have a poppet. Let me see it. Can I see it? Good job.
Dimple.
A simple dimple.
Cambree.
There's lots in the refrigerator. Oh, she found it. Which is that one? Is that a unicorn? Help her out, Baylor. Let's see what that one is. It's a rainbow unicorn. Cambree, look, you missed one. There you go. Oh, I dropped it. Cambree, let's look in here. Look, let's look in the oven. Open the oven. Open the oven. Oh, there's some more. What's in there? What is that? Oh my, it broke. Uh-oh. Don't tell Sissy. Have to get another one of those. Oh, you missed one in the refrigerator, Cambree. Oh, a squishy. Let me see it. A pink squishy. An infinity cube. What can you do with it? Oh, thank you. It's another one. You want to try this one? Oh, thank you. Oh, a football squishy. Let's see. Another squishy. Your kitchen's full of fidget toys, Cambree. Can you find any more? Oh, thank you. There are more in there. Is that a poppet bracelet? She doesn't care. Thank you. I think she likes the ones that she broke out of the simple dimple. Thank you. All right. I think there's some in the oven, Cambree. There's a bracelet in the refrigerator. Hey, let's look at this one. Come here. Look right there. Open it up. Open that one up. Can you open it? Go down lower. Right here. Let Mommy help you. There you go. Oh, there is one in there. What's in there? Can you see that one? Look, what's that? Oh, she found one by the sink. Let me see, Cambree. Oh, thank you for the basket. Oh, it's a little pineapple mini poppet. Cool, thank you. You gonna try to pop it on both sides? Thank you. Let's put it right here with the others. What does that one do now that it's broken? Oh, it still pops. Yeah? It's just small. We can't put it in our mouth. A pink squishy. Oh, look, Cambree. Cambree, look. Look in your microwave. Look up here. Look. Look right here. There's some inside there. Can you reach that one? Thank you. Just put it right there. There you go. You found another squishy. You have 2 squishies. That one's a pretty pink squishy. This one like has the red that comes out of it. And that one, let's see what color it turns when you squeeze it. It looks like maybe some white. Let's see. Oh, a light pink. Thank you. Uh-oh, that one fell down. You're gonna get it from Mom? Thank you. There you go. That one's just your size. It's a little pineapple. I still see a Rubik's Cube up there in the microwave and a horse pop it in the sink. Oh, and I see one down there. I see a swan, but she has yet to find them. That makes funny sounds. Sounds like a little bullfrog. Let's see, are there any over here, Cambree? Look, look. There is one in there. What is that? Wow, a purple poppet. I think she has a collection over here of her squishy and the simple dimple that broke, and then the horsey, the rainbow horsey. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Let's see. Look behind you, Cambree. Cambree, look right here. What's inside here? What's that? A swan. Look, a rainbow swan. Yeah, let's put it over here with your collection with the others. So I think her favorite out of all these fidget toys are definitely the squishies. She likes the sounds they make. These squishies used to have the little ropes tied around them or strings where they would separate the squishy when you would squeeze it, but Big Brother and Big Sister got the scissors and cut them off and just made one big squishy that doesn't have the little sections on it. you. Lily,
Yeah.
we have something to tell you. Have a seat for just a minute. So Cambree was playing with your Simple Dimple, the big one, and it broke.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, yeah. See all the pieces? But she kind of has been playing with lots of separate pieces with
Okay.
lots of little dimples.
Okay, I'm getting pop to Friday.
Oh, pop to you on Friday?
Yeah.
Awesome. You're the best big sister. You weren't even upset.
No. Uh-oh. And see, this is my mean puppet.
Minnie Poppet, yeah, she likes the pineapple.
And my brother and my sister.
Yeah, they both
Most
like it.
people like my puppet.
Yeah, they do. I don't know many people that don't like poppets and fidget toys.
Not me either.
See you later, Lilybug.
Bye. See ya.
Cambree, do you like that toy?
Hello.
All right, friends, let's look really quickly and make sure she didn't miss any fidget toys. Let's look in there. Oh, she did miss one. She forgot the Pop-It bracelet. Look, Cambree. Yeah. That's so cool. All right, let's check the bottom of the fridge here, or the little storage area. Oh, you found all those. She still had some in the sink we talked about earlier. And then all the ones on the floor. Let's check over here. Look. Yep, that was it. Okay.
Peace.
Well, that was lots of fun. Until next time, we'll see ya.
And seeing pop tubes.
Yes, pop tubes are coming soon.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. See you in the next video.